We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
After an excellent time in our jungle beach villa in Manuel Antonio, which you can check out by clicking right up here, it's time for a couple nights in Jacó before heading back to the city to fly out. Jacó is known for surfing, nightlife, crocodiles, Scarlet Macaws, rainforest, and most importantly for us, amazing ATV tours. Starting with where we stayed, we'd earned a free night on Hotels.com and stayed at the Bird of Paradise Hotel for 2 nights at the price of one, totaling $85. Considering we're right in town, we were pleasantly surprised to enjoy so much wildlife just outside of our door. We have this Spiny-Tailed Iguana getting a quick workout in. He actually motivated me to get a few push-ups in too before enjoying the pool. We also got to see a green iguana for the first time and were quite impressed by their climbing skills. Lastly, we have this crazy dude, the Veriegated Squirrel, which we'd also never seen. The burnt orange fur is so nice. Tough to capture, but peeling this nut took some focus and made for a nice shot. Let's get to the main reason we're here in Jacó. Not even a 1-minute walk, truly the building right next door, we have ATV Backcountry tours. These guys are awesome, so welcoming, professional, and full of positive energy. We spent a few minutes getting to know each other while getting geared up. The ATVs looking clean and ready, time for a great day.
Mi situación sentimental siempre es andar con tu aceite.
Our first stop is this giant ancient tree that's home to Scarlet Macaws, which are some of the most beautiful tropical birds. We didn't actually think they were home at first and then started seeing their heads pop out. I felt a bit strange flying the drone around them, so I landed soon after, but I have to admit, this is one of my favorite shots ever. So crazy to have the bird's eye view of these beautiful birds. Fun fact, Scarlet Macaw's average lifespan is around 50 years.
We got so lucky with ATV Backcountry tours here in Jacó because they customize what you do. You want waterfalls, you want mountains, you want views, you want beach, they will plan it for you. It's private. You're not stuck with a bunch of other people stopping and going. No, you pick and choose what you want. You got a guide and you just go explore. Now that is awesome.
Right now, we are on this beautiful tour way up in the mountains. We just climbed about 2,000 feet. We can see all the way down to the beach, and we're about to go see another waterfall and fly the drone some more.
What kind of spiders?
We call tarantula caterpillar spider.
Ew.
This is hard to open.
There's the door.
Oh
Wow.
my God.
Close it.
So guys, here we have some passion fruit, good in a smoothie. We are about to eat some lunch, almuerzo, y drink some smoothie. Es bonita. I want to point out that having ATVs gave us the ability to visit some very remote places. As you can see, we had this beautiful place to ourselves. When we got here, I was already loving it and thought this was the waterfall. Then Gerardo said, "Okay, you want to see the big one?" Of course I said yes. Guys, I have to tell you something. Costa Rica is awesome. After one more stop for fresh squeezed passion fruit juice, we made our way out of the mountains and back to town. What a day. A huge thank you to the guys at ATV Backcountry Tours for making it special and memorable. We wish you the best, and we definitely encourage everyone watching to take a trip here and go on an adventure with them for a day. You won't regret it. So the next day, as we're waiting for the bus to San Jose, a taxi pulls up offering us a ride for I think $20 all the way to San Jose. This is more than the bus, but it's private, air-conditioned, and he needed to go there anyway, so it's a win for him. He was nice enough to stop at the Crocodile Bridge just outside of Jacó, which was on our list, and we never got around to it.
And these suckers are big.
Wow, like 12 of them. Huge, narrow snouts.
We're used to seeing alligators in Florida, but never crocodiles. Here, let me show you.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on post notifications for more weekly travel videos. See ya.